Day 10 adds a focused endpoint to mark a task as completed. The endpoint finds the task by ID, sets is completed to true, and returns the updated task. Full CRUD already exists. Now the API adds a real task workflow action, complete a task. This is not the same as a full update. Patch changes only the completion state. By the end of today, iTask service should have complete task, task service should implement complete logic, the controller should expose the patch endpoint, and the README should be updated. The files to edit are itaskservice.cs, taskservice.cs, taskscontroller.cs, and readme.md. First, update the service contract. Add complete task with an ID parameter. It returns nullable task response, where null means the task was not found and an updated task means success. Next, implement the complete logic. Search the in-memory task list, return null if the task is missing, set is completed to true, and return the updated task. The controller exposes HTTP patch with ID/complete. It reads the ID from the URL, calls complete task, then returns OK with the updated task or not found when the task does not exist. For testing, create a task first. Then call patch API task/1/complete. The expected result is 200 OK, with is completed set to true. A missing task should return 404. The success check is direct. Complete task exists, the patch endpoint exists, an existing task returns 200, a missing task returns 404, and the project builds successfully. After the complete endpoint works, stop. Do not add the reopen endpoint, do not add user API, do not add SQL Server, and do not add EF Core today.